Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello po.
Hi, good morning.
Good afternoon po dito.
Good afternoon. Oh my God.
Opo.
Oo. Ikaw na yata ang pinaka-late, hindi pa naman, na caller ko. Late meaning pinaka, no? Kasi umaga naman. So, hindi ko lang kung late ito or early. But anyways, anong pangalan?
Angel po.
Angel. Okay.
Mhm.
Did you listen to the first one before you?
Yes, pero hindi po lahat eh.
Okay. Bakit?
May ginawa po.
Okay. Sige. Ilan taon ka na, Angel?
40 po.
40. Asan ka? Sabi mo good afternoon eh.
Nasa California din po.
Baka kumari mo yung unang caller natin.
Parang hindi naman po.
hindi yung ba siya kumare? Pusang galaw. Well, anyways, 40 years old. Tama, no?
Yes po.
Okay.
40 pero ano.
Ano?
Hey! Kinakabahan ako.
Ha?
Kinakabahan po ako.
Bakit naman?
Hindi ko po alam ang gagawin ko.
Kailan ka pa na andyan, Angel, sa USA?
2006 po. 20 years?
20 years na. Ang tagal na. Why did you end up there?
Actually po, my late husband.
Oh, so you married?
I was, but namatay po siya.
I mean, what I'm saying is, marriage was the reason why you ended up in the US.
Yes, actually fiancé visa po at that time,
Okay,
and
so
then
you married an American?
No, Filipino po siya.
Pinoy. Okay.
Opo.
I don't know. I have to inquire. Nabanggit mo naman. When did he pass?
2022.
Okay na lang. That's 4 years. 4 years ago.
Opo.
So you spent 16, 15 years of relationship?
Kami na po since 2004.
Oh, so
and then
okay.
got married 2006. And then he passed.
So
after
mga around
15
18 years kayo magkasama sa buhay.
Yes, 18 and a half.
What happened to him?
It's actually tragic eh. Ano siya, actually nasa Pilipinas po kami at that time.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, yan po kami. And then, natulog siya. And then when we all woke up, ano na siya eh, nasa floor. My son, our son, firstborn namin, nakita siya nasa floor. And then, kala daw ng son namin, he was just sleeping. Nalasing. Parang ganon. Even though he doesn't really drink.
Okay.
But when he's trying to, parang hindi na daw kumikilo. So, that's why na siya na, Mom, ganyan siya, Dad. So, from there, alam ko na that something is,
Okay.
Yeah. Parang massive stroke. That's what they say.
Okay. Are you better?
Yeah. Yeah, okay na po. Actually, may, na ako. Engaged.
Oh.
Again. Yeah, but yun po yung itinawag ko.
So you had given yourself the chance to fall in love again. That's good.
Yes, opo. But parang, I don't know. I don't know if it's, yun po yung itinawag ko.
Bakit? Ano problema?
Nakilala ko naman itong guy. Actually, 2022 din siya. We were introduced by a good friend.
You're telling me that you met this new guy the same year that you lost your husband?
Yes, pero at that time po, parang hi, hello lang kasi I was numb. So, parang hi, hello, ganyan lang, tingin lang.
You were not
So,
looking
ganun,
for
wala
someone special sa buhay?
Yes, wala po. Wala po at that time. Tingin lang, and then ganun. So, hi, hello, wala na. After that, wala na.
Okay.
And then, kasi sa Pilipinas po kami at that time, 2022, kasi nag-retire na siya. And then, back and forth to the US. Ganun yung ano namin, story ng life namin.
Okay.
And then at that time, bumalik ako ng US. Hindi ko alam kung parang magulo yata yung kwento ko.
That's okay. I'm
po.
following you. That's okay.
Yeah. Back to the US, maraming inaayos kasi yung mga iniwanan niya, things like that. So, na-meet ko tong guy na to nung bumalik ako ng US with my kids. And then back to the Philippines again after 2 months in the US, kasama yung mga bata. And then, wala na. 2024, we decided to go back here. Kasi po, nasa Pilipinas kami, go back here. Wala na yung daddy nila. So, kami na lang tatlo.
Okay.
And then, 2025, nagkita ulit kami na tong guy.
Okay.
That was January. And then, from there, parang yun na, nag-start na yung talking. And then, January and March, kami na.
Okay. 2025 March last year.
Yes.
So as of today, a little more than a year pa lang.
Yes.
Okay.
Opo. And then we got engaged on my birthday, which is October.
Okay. So you were together ng March. He proposed on October, same year, 2025. Tama?
Yes po.
Okay. All right. So engaged na kayo ng November, December, January, February. Mga 8 months na kayong engaged. Nine months.
Like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Opo.
Okay.
And then, but back in July, before we got engaged, I found something.
Okay. Before you got engaged, you found something.
Yes.
Before, what did you find out?
Yes. Parang hirap. Nakita ko po yung phone niya. He was talking with, may mga kinakausap siya. Kami na, March, may kinakausap siya. But it was funny kasi yung kinakausap niya, lalaki.
Okay, anong nag-usapan nila?
Parang may something na nangyayari sa kanila eh.
Okay, tell me exactly what did you find out? I mean, context please.
Ano po sila na magkikita sila sa hotel.
You found this out?
Yes.
Before it happened?
Before po kami mag-engage. Before October.
Okay. Did you confront him about this?
Yes. Opo. He cried. Umiyak siya talaga. Ganyan. Sabi niya, it was past. Yes, ganito may nangyari sa amin. But,
okay, so
that's my past.
He's a bisexual.
Sabi niya po hindi daw eh. He kept saying na hindi daw. But I keep complaining to myself na parang, paano nangyari yun? So parang, mahal mo. So parang pinaniwalaan mo.
Hindi, wala tayong pakialam sa preference, no? That's none of our business. But to deny to yourself, I mean, you like a guy, you like a girl, ano ka?
Yeah.
Di ba?
So
ano yun? Ex
parang,
niya yun? Or ano lang sila? Like,
wala daw po sila. Parang nakilala niya lang and then parang
but you were together noong time na yun. Na nag-aaya siya ng ka-check-in. So he was cheating on you with
exactly. Exactly po. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, katayo na and then you're talking with someone, ganyan. And then this one is a guy. So ano?
That's still cheating.
Sabi niya, ano lang.
So kumbaga double whammy yun, di ba? He's cheating on you and then you got surprised kasi walang masama kung bisexual siya. But you had to find it out that way.
Yes, opo. So parang at that time, ayoko na. But nakiusap siya, give him a second
Pinoy
chance.
to, Pinoy?
Yes, opo, Pinoy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, he's younger than me, 1 year.
Okay.
Never been married, no kids.
I have a question. You got engaged in October. What month did you find out about it?
March. No, wait.
Hindi, March naging kayo eh. October ka nag-engage eh. Kailan mo na
Yeah,
natuklasan ito?
sorry. Ano po, July
July.
3.
Okay.
Yes, July 3. Yeah. And then, umiyak siya, nakiusap siya, give him another chance kasi parang ako na daw yung ano niya na, parang he found me,
Mm.
parang everything is like nasa akin na, tapos tinanggap ko siya, parang ganon.
Okay.
Yun yung sinasabi niya. Okay, we were fine kasi binigay niya naman lahat, parang binigay niya yung location niya every time he goes out, he goes to work, nalalaman ko kung nasan siya. Tapos pag after ng work, actually magka-live-in na po kami.
Okay.
December, nag-start na kaming, we live together. So, ganun. From there, nalalaman ko, okay naman, wala naman akong nakita na ulit. He hand me his phone, alam ko lahat, nakikita ko lahat. But after, nag-anniversary pa kami and all that. Pero parang iba na eh. Iba na po yung lagi na kami nag-aaway. And then, yung part ngayon, I was in the Philippines po last month actually. For 3 weeks. And then, okay naman kami. We were like updating and all that. And then, pagbalik ko dito, actually 1 week pala ako nakabalik ulit eh. And then, hinawakan ko siya on his arm. Tapos parang, sabi niya, no, don't touch me that. Kasi, parang nag-GB daw siya.
Ano yan?
Parang kinikilabutan, parang ganon. Kasi hinawakan ko siya, parang hinimas ko yung arm niya. Parang kinikilabutan daw siya. So parang to me, it's like, what the? Ano to? Kakadating ko lang. I was gone for 3 weeks.
Teka lang. Wait. I have to inquire on this. Nung hinawakan mo siya, I mean, were you being sexual?
Nasa kotse po kami, nag-drive kami pa uwi kasi sinundo niya ako sa airport.
You're not answering my question. Were you being sexual? Alam mo yan?
Parang hindi kasi po ako talagang matouchy akong tao eh.
So,
Parang
kumbaga, it was just pure lambing, pero ayaw niya.
Yeah, and ginagawa ko naman na po yun talaga before pa. When we, like, pag nag-walk kami, mga gano'n, nakahawak ako sa arm niya.
Buti hindi niya sinabi sa'yo, ay, lason! Hindi siya
Actually, parang ano po siya, parang sabi, ew, parang gano'n. Parang, yun, kaya ano ako, you were saying na you miss me, and then I was just touching you, kung talagang mismo yung tao. So parang, that's part of my, parang panglalambing.
Yeah, I'm with you. I mean, di ba, baka nga liplapin mo yan eh. Kasi di ba, hindi ka nagkita
Exactly.
eh. Exactly, there you go. I mean, hindi naman kayo mga virgins. Tama, di ba?
Yes, opo. And then, yung sabi niya, ew, parang ganyan siya. Alam mo yun, sabi niya pa, wag mo akong stop. Sabi niya sa akin, stop. I was like,
Sabi niya, oh, no!
Parang,
poison!
ako, parang talagang kinda like, napahiya. Parang ganun yung pakiramdam ko.
I'm sure you'll feel rejected kasi because siyempre inaasahan mo, you were away for a while. You will be expecting that he will be all over you. Parang ganun, di ba?
Yes. And then hindi pa yun eh. Nakauwi na kami, yes. I understand pagod siya kasi late na yung
I have a question for
pag-uwi
you before you continue on.
Opo.
You have to be honest with me, all right? And I do not mean to pry on any private matters about you, but I just have to ask this. Satisfied ka ba sa sex life ninyo?
Hindi.
Okay. Tuloy mo na yung kwento mo.
Yeah,
Sorry, yung pause mo na yon, alam ko may inimagine ka eh. Ba yan? Pag ganun ka?
yes, kasi po yung inaano ko sa kanya, I don't wanna fail anymore. Kasi yung my late husband is really, really a good guy, one of a kind.
Okay.
Talagang,
And
you know,
you were compatible with that guy in kumbaga in all aspects. Let's put it at that. Okay ba yun?
yes.
All right. Okay. Mm-mm. Mhm.
So, yun na, drive kami pauwi ng bahay. Yeah, pagod siya, inantok na niya. Kasi ako na yung pinag-drive niya eh.
Mm.
So, alam ko, naintindihan ko pagod siya. But when we got home, tulog na siya agad. So, nothing happened. Nothing
Mhm.
happened, really. So, naintindihan ko kasi papasok siya the next morning. So, hinayaan ko lang. And then, the next day na pag-uwi niya, ganun pa rin, parang wala lang. Parang,
Mhm.
I was just like watching him
Mhm.
and kind of like feeling
What would
kung
you
like,
have wanted, honestly?
at least hug me tighter, kahit hug lang kasi pagod.
Mm.
Yeah, understand, pagod ka. Kahit bahag lang, parang ganun. Pero wala pa din.
Mhm.
Parang ang layo-layo, parang ganun yung ano ko.
Mhm.
And then, nung off niya,
Okay.
kasi nag 4th of July po dito, we went out of town. Kasama naman yung mga kids. So, I understand na
Mhm.
marami kami sa room. So, wala pa rin nangyari. But what he did, he went to the gym. Nag-gym
Mhm.
siya.
Oh.
He stays there for 5 hours.
Oh, many
May oras
guys.
siya
Ay, charot.
pag-gym.
Okay.
Yeah. Nag-gym din naman po ako, pero I don't stay that long.
I
5
stay
hours?
in the gym that long. Many papa. Oh, charot.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm.
So,
Tapos,
nag-gym siya ng 5
mm.
hours. And then, back to the room. Wala, parang ang napapansin ko, nagpapakapagod siya eh.
Mhm.
And then, pag pagod na siya, may dahilan siya para tulog na lang siya. Sabihin niya, pagod ako
Oo.
eh. Parang ganun.
Mm.
So, in a short, parang wala na pong nangyayari sa amin for like,
Not that you want it, but nakakapagtaka lang siya. Parang ganun na.
yes.
I
Yeah.
gotcha. I gotcha. Okay.
And then, few
Mm.
days ago,
Mhm.
nag-usap kami kasi parang
Okay.
napapansin niya, iba na daw ako.
Mhm.
Hindi na ako kagaya. So, ako pa yung iba. Ako pa yung iba. So, sabi ko sa kanya, I'm just giving you the treatment that you're giving me.
Oh! Slay! Charot.
Sabi ko po sa kanya, I'm just giving you the same energy that you're giving me.
Mm.
And sabi ko, so, sabi niya, naintindihan mo naman pagod ako, di ba? I have 12 hours. And then, pag after ng work ko, nag-workout pa ako. Yes, I do understand. Yun nga eh, sabi ko, instead na lumapit ka sa akin, you rather go to your workout place and mag-work ka doon, una, than, mas nauna ka doon mag-workout kesa yung lumapit ka sa akin and say hi or hug me at least or kiss me. Mas inuuna mo yung pag-workout. You are so obsessed, sabi ko sa kanya, about working out, about looking your body good.
Well, there's nothing wrong
And
about it.
Yes, well, intindihan ko naman eh, pero sana balance. But he's lacking on me.
Mhm.
Yun po yung inaano ko. So, parang last na nag-usap kami, sabi ko, I'm not gonna oversell myself to you, but parang iba eh. Sabi ko sa kanya, parang I feel like hindi ka na attractive sa akin, you're saying na I love you, he's saying that to me, like he miss me, things like that. But that's not just the words, not in action.
Okay.
So, nung nag-usap po kami last time, sabi ko, I'm not gonna oversell myself to you. Siguro, just not continue this.
Kailan yan?
So, nakipag-break na. Ano lang po, like 2-3 days ago.
Okay. Do you still go home to the same house?
Actually, hindi na po siya umuwi. 2 araw na.
Okay, good. Pack his things so he can just drop by to collect those stuff. Change your locks. Di ba? Parang iba na yung susi. What do you want to ask me?
Yeah, kasi hindi na rin po siya nag-text, hindi siya tumawag. So, I'm kinda like giving him a chance. At least,
Why?
ano ko naman.
You just said you don't
I
want to
don't
over.
know.
Mm-hmm. You just said you don't want to
Yeah,
oversell yourself to him.
Exactly, yun nga sabi ko. Pero parang I feel kinda like, at least
At least what?
giving, and not, but actually na, he's not coming home anymore, and wala nang text, wala na ring tawag. So I guess,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
sakit kasi.
Ano na?
Ang sakit po kasi, parang I expected na parang okay na sana.
Well, I think inevitable this will happen. Mula nung araw na nalaman mo nakipagtalik siya sa kapwa niya lalaki. There's nothing wrong with preferences. We could care less about that. But that's still cheating. Diba? And surprising that he cheated on you sa kapwa niya lalaki, and you had to find out that he's got that preference sa paraan na yun.
Wait, ko lang po. Actually, nung nalaman ko po yun, sabi niya, hindi daw sila nagkita. But they're talking about to meet.
Okay.
Pero may nangyari sa kanila before we
Okay,
met.
there you go. So, yun nga. I mean, you had to find it out that way. What do you want to ask me?
Is it, ano po yung gagawin ko? Ayan ko na lang talaga.
I just told you. Change your locks and pack all of his things so he can just drop by to collect them. Or if you want, you can ship it out sa bahay niya.
Ito pa po yung ano ko. Meron kaming plano mag-travel ulit.
No one cares.
So, wala na po. Hindi namin itutuloy.
Do you think you have to... Aali ka nga kakalugin yung ulo mo.
I know.
Really? Diba?
Gosh.
Okay. Let me say it this properly. I think this is not just a case of him not loving you anymore. It's more than
Ano
that.
po yan?
I think this is not just the case of him no longer in love with you anymore. I think it's more than that. You are not his preference to begin with. At alam kong alam mo yon. Mula nung araw na mahuli mo yung chat na yon, alam kong alam mo yon. Kasi bobo ka na lang pag hindi mo naramdaman na ganun yon.
I think I was being like that.
Yeah. I mean, you were trying to convince yourself. Diba? Hindi.
Yeah.
Diba? Ayoko na maisipin na naging goal mo siya. Hindi, kaya ko siyang gawin lalaki. Ayoko na maisipin yun. No? Okay. Oh, interesting night tonight. Yung unang caller ko bago ikaw, nasobrahan naman yung bravado, no? Ito naman, kinulang naman ng pusa. I mean, there's, again, mga kaibigan, there's nothing wrong with preferences. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, really nothing wrong with that. Di ba? Kung hindi kanya prefer, di ba? I mean, kung bisexual siya and he likes men and he likes women, that's okay. But he cheated on you by contemplating on having sex with another guy, and you had to find out. Yun ang kanyang
Actually,
orientation,
PJ,
that manner. Yes, ma'am.
Hindi lang po isa. Kasi nakita ko yung notes niya. Ang daming nakalagay doon, my boyfriend. And then I accepted it kasi sabi niya, pass niya daw yun. So all over the place kasi he likes to travel po. All over the place may nakalagay doon from this country. from here, from there. Nakalagay pa yung mga nationality.
Mhm. Ang landi niya. Mas malandi siya sa'yo.
I know! Grabe, no? Sabi ko, wow, ano to, nag-iipon?
You know what's scary?
Aha.
Maawa ka ng sakit.
Yun nga po. Nung nalaman ko yun, talaga nagpa-test talaga ako agad. And sabi ko sa kanya, you have to test it too. Pinatest ko din po siya. And then,
nag-sex kayo.
yeah, kasi okay naman.
Kasi clear naman, di
kami.
ba?
Clear naman kami.
Oh,
yeah.
tara, clear ka naman eh. Okay, let's go! Tanda na na!
Yeah, pero ano po siya, hindi siya aggressive, parang ano lang, makaraos lang, parang gano'n. I was like, ha? Hindi mo man ako hinintay, kuya.
Okay, no comment. Tanda na na!
Oo, gano'n siya. Grabe.
Oh, I mean, importante kasi naman talaga yan. That's why they call it love making, di ba? You have to be, kahit pa paano, di ba? I mean, you have to be generous sa part na yon. I don't know what other words to use. Maybe, ano kayo, di ba? Match or, ano ba? Basta ganon. I mean, you have to be generous to satisfy your partner. Di ba? However, ang hirap hanapan ng term.
So, para lang makaano siya, parang wala siyang pakialam na dun sa isa. Oh, okay, tapos na, okay. Parang, okay.
Ganon na. Tapos, okay, paabot ng tissue. Ganon.
Yeah. Ay, nako.
Hindi mo dinidemand sa kanya, "Uy, di ba ako tapos? Bumalik ka dito!" Walang ganon?
Wala na. Minsan po meron, nakakadalawa. So, pag gano'n, sige na, humabol na nga ako. Parang gano'n. Yung sarili ko, di ba? Ako na gumagawa ng paraan para makahabol.
Kumbaga, kaya mo pa isa para makasabay ako, ganon.
Ay, nako.
Hindi ko alam.
Paano pa pag nag-sorry siya?
You're
Wala
not
na rin talagang.
bobo.
Ay, okay. Sorry. Paano na yun? May 40 na po ako eh. May ano pa ba?
Ano na?
Ang hirap kasi nang walang kasama. 40 na po ako eh.
Mas maganda na single ka kaysa may kasama kang ganyan naman yung tratahan ninyo.
Okay.
Look, you go to the gym, right?
Yes. Opo.
There's a community of men who's looking for someone like you in the gym. Okay, now, I'm not saying at all na lumandi ka sa gym. I'm just saying you have your social life active. It's not impossible for you to find another. You know I'm right.
Mo na naman.
Alam mo, ikaw, Angel, alam natin sa gym, marami nakatingin sa'yo.
Parang, kasi lagi may nag-hi.
Yan, ganda ate mo.
Actually, sabi po ng kaibigan ko, ayun, may naghahanap na sa'yo. Sabi ko, sino? Yung ano daw, parang manager yata ng gym namin.
No.
Sabi ko, na-miss niya ako.
Landi talaga din.
Ay, nako. Parang ganun lang. Mas ano lang. Pero, that's part of nakakatawa. Pero, ito yung hindi ko alam yung ang hirap kasi bibigyan mo na naman yung time mo.
Well, ganito na. I think we can both agree that you need a better love story with better compatibility than what you had with this guy.
Yeah. Opo.
I'm not wrong. Tama ako sa part na yan.
Yes.
Tama?
Yes, opo.
Okay. Good.
Hirap.
Okay, pero before you start dating again, would you please take your time? I was watching this series before, a few years back, the series that's called Heroes. And there's a line there that's my favorite line. allow yourself to allow yourself to catch its breath again before allowing someone to take it away again. So
Ano pong
please,
pangalan ng movie? Heroes?
no, series siya, Heroes.
Heroes. Papanoorin ko po yan.
Yeah, may mga powers sila doon.
Mm. Oh, gosh. Parang nanghihina ako.
Pag medyo mainit ang pakiramdam mo, ligo-ligo ka lang. Okay. Hilod-hilod.
Actually, wala naman pong sa akin yung problem kung walang ganun. I just wanted to feel wanted,
Yeah,
you know, like.
Yeah, of course. Diba? You wanna be caressed. You wanna feel like you're wanted, you're needed. You wanna feel like you're loved. Someone's looking after you because you are a human being. This is a part of the needs that, Maslow's hierarchy of needs part yan eh. And your duty now is to be wise enough, diba, to vet who you're gonna give yourself to the next time.
Mm-hmm. Grabe, I never thought.
Ihilaw mo ako dun sa manager ng gym, ha? Para
Actually, dito po siya sa nasa US, dito na po siya. Pero nagpupunta din po ako dyan, sa Pilipinas po ako. I was, yung nasa Light Mall, doon po ako nag-gym.
Anytime Fitness sa Light Mall?
Yes, opo. Yeah.
Naku, ang lapit mo. No? Kasi yung kapatid ko ay coach naman sa Anytime Fitness.
Oh, opo.
Yes. My brother is a fitness coach doon naman sa Fame, which is several blocks away from Light.
Fame? I was just there at Fame like a week ago.
Oh my God.
Pero hindi po ako nag-gym.
Oh my God. Yung kapatid ko na andun naman. Oh. So manager, wait lang. Wait lang. Manager ba yan sa Pilipinas?
Hindi po, dito sa US po siya.
Nakikismis sana ako sa kapatid ko eh. Well, anyways, na.
Ano pong name ng kapatid niya?
Lumandi, no? May jowa yung kapatid ko!
Okay lang po kasi ano lang naman.
Magpapakoach ka?
Pwede. Pagpunta ko po dyan. Sa November po, babalik ako dyan.
Saan? Kailan?
November po.
Sige. Hanapan kita ng coach. Marami naman akong kilalang coach.
Dapat single.
Tapusang gila. Hindi. Babaeng coach na mapakilala.
Oh, okay. Sige po. Okay din po yan.
Yan ang napapala mo. Harot ka ng harot eh. Ha? Harot ka ng harot. Tinan mo. Talaga. Ayaw mong tumigil.
Ako, kasi naman po parang akala ko okay siya. Nung pala, lalaki din pala.
You know what's important is that you tried. Alam mo, you lost your husband passed away. Alam mo, isa yan sa pinakamahirapan to recover from Kasi you will always have your late husband as a parameter. Diba?
Yes,
of how to be treated.
Sobrang parang,
kaya tinatanong ko, how long did it take for you to start dating again? So, kasi yan kumbaga, alienating kasi yung part na yan Pero, alam mo, ganito. There's one thing that happened here na maganda. You want me to tell you?
Ayan, talaga po.
That thing that happened na maganda rito is that you discovered that you still have the ability to fall in love again.
Exactly. Yun nga po yung
yan lang naman ang takeaway mo dito. So, regardless of what happened,
ang sayang naman ng naiyak na ako. Parang ang sayang.
Kasi ang gusto nga niya ay fafa. Diba?
Ang dami naman sana dyan
At ang motto niya ay, diligyan ng gata ang uhaw na hopya. Ganon. Sorry. Sorry. Oh my God! Mama, lason! Ganon, charot.
Minsan nga niloloko ko siya. Sabi ko, yung kamay mo po yung pilantik na naman umayos ka. Ginaganon ko po. Parang nagiging po ako Parang I accepted him being like that just to be, kung tayo lang. Parang ganun po. Parang na-accept ko na nga Pero, he treats me is like hindi ko gusto Parang, Yun naman
Mm.
yung inaano ko. I need to be treated
Mm.
like wanted, you know? But
Mhm.
iba eh.
Ah, well.
Oh my God.
Yun na lang. Let's be let's be contented with that takeaway that this guy showed you that it's still possible that after losing your husband at the age of 40, you still have what it takes to fall in love again. And you shouldn't lose that spark.
Sige po. I'll take note on that.
Okay?
Opo.
Mm-mm.
Thank you po.
Mm-mm. Lason! Mama!
Ay, naku, baka umuwi tonight. I'm scared.
My God! Nako, hampasin ko yung makeup kit, tsaka ng shoulder bag, tsaka ng aking
So,
toiletries na
ano pong
nakapouch
gagawin?
sa malambot na
Ano pong gagawin ko pag if ever mag-show
Look,
up siya
ganito,
kasi may susi
this
naman
is
siya.
not about, ulitin ko, this is nothing to do with his preferences. This is just this has everything to do with what kind of attention and love you should be receiving from a partner.
Ano pa pag sinabi niya na I'll
Change your luck.
I'll
Okay.
do. Okay.
Okay, ganito ha. Can I be honest with you? This is
Opo, yeah.
this is a little bit self-serving, and in a way, this is bias. But can I be honest with you?
Opo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your last question was, paano pag sinabi niya I will change? Tama, mali? Okay. Huwag kang magagalit sa akin at huwag kayong ma-offend ha, mga kaibigan. Personal ko ito. Okay, ready?
Opo.
Dalawa po ang kapatid kong bading. With that, I have at least the basic knowledge to tell you. His preferences will not change. Period. I'll bet my bottom dollar sa part na yan. I'm going to bet my bottom dollar sa part na yan. I'm sorry. Mga kaibigan, I have two of my brothers, di ba, are members of LGBTQ. His preferences is not changing anytime soon. You just have to let this one go. Tama yung sabi ng comment. Papasahin ko to. Not unless tanggap mo na tatlo kayo sa love story. There you go.
No, hindi po.
Paano yung no mo? Ang arty mo. No, arty mo.
No! Ayoko ng tatlo.
No!
Bawal daw po ang tatlo kasi yung isa. Tsaka no.
Malay mo, di ba? Kasi di ba, sa Amerika uso yan, polyamory.
I'm sure naman po walang ganun. Kasi nakaano naman po education yun sa akin eh.
Hindi.
Nakikita ko po kung nasan siya.
When we say polyamory, pantay-pantay kayong tatlo. Magiging jawa mo rin yung... Ganun yun pag polyamory. Narinig mo na ba yung term na yan?
Parang, yeah. Pero
Polyamory.
hindi ko po masyado.
Polyamory. Let's define it, di ba? Polyamory means, from the Greek word, many, and the Latin for love, is the practice of having multiple romantic or sexual relationships simultaneously. It is a form of consensual non-monogamy where everyone involved is fully aware of and agrees to the arrangement.
Hindi po. Hindi ko po gagawin
Okay,
yan. May
then-
kids po ako. I have kids.
So
And
you
I
have,
wanted to
kumbaga,
be-
yes, moral compass. Tama.
Yes.
There you
Opo.
go. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
At mga lalaki po yung anak ko.
Well, Mama! sorry. No!
Yung pinagpaplanuhan na nga po namin siya ng kaibigan ko kasi magte-trip nga kami. Tapos pupunta kami dyan sa Pilipinas. Nagpaplanuhan namin siya. Nadadali namin siya somewhere there. Sabi ko, ay, baka lumabas. Plano natin, dali natin sa... I-watch natin. Sabi ko pa sa friends ko. Ay, nako.
Well, anyways. Well, I'm sure it's not the end of the world for you.
Yeah. Alam ko naman po na, I mean, I'm not trying to brag myself, but alam ko naman what I can bring on the table.
What can you bring to the
My
table?
friend, kasi po, yeah, capable naman ako to be, to fall in love, to love. I have all the love I can give still. I know that.
Oh, that's good. I like that. I'm rooting for you.
Yeah. Ay, ang hirap lang kasi nakakatakot na mong ganap ulit.
I gave you 2
parang,
instructions tonight. What are those, if you're listening to me?
to be healed first.
I did not say that. Tingnan mo.
You know.
Puro kasi landi tayo dito ha. Talaga naman. Talaga naman. Puro kasi landi. Talaga. Hindi kasi nakikinig eh. Okay. Ready?
Sorry na po.
Ulitin
ready.
ko.
Makikinig na. Opo. Makikinig
Number
na.
1, cage
Number 1.
change your lock.
Change my luck. Okay.
Okay. And number 2, pack his
Things.
There you go. Yes. Medyo symbolic lang yung part na yan. But yes, you have to pack his things and change your locks. You really have to drive him out of your life. You deserve so much better. Life is short.
Opo.
Not to be happy
I know.
where you're at right now. Ulitin ko. Life is short not to be happy where you're at right now.
Yeah.
Did I make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Mama!
Walang iya ka, Mama. Ano ba yan?
Mama!
Ay, nako. Alam ko na, at least alam ko na ang secret niya na pinakatago-tago.
Well, hindi rin naman tama na, di ba? You hold him hostage of what you know about him. Because the guy din naman surrendered his time, di ba, with you.
Totoo din naman po yung pinakita niya. He give everything naman din.
Yes.
feel ko din.
Hindi ka lang talaga niya preference, period yan. And kumbaga, siya rin nahihirapan that he's living, di ba? He's living in under the same roof with you, tapos hindi niya maibigay ng buo yung pangangailangan mo. Di ba? Di ba?
Maybe. Hindi ko po alam sa kanya. Ang hirap pa din niyang ianohin minsan eh. Sabihin niya na ako daw yung gusto niya, ganyan-ganyan. Ikaw na yung gusto ko. Ikaw, I mean,
Mama!
I dedicate my... Lagi ginaganon din po niya kasi ako. So parang, kind of like, okay. Pero iba talaga yung ano niya. Iba yung, wala nang nangyayari for almost 2 months. So parang, what's that? Hindi naman, I'm not, hindi ako pangit, hindi ako ano, I mean, you know,
Mama!
pero bakit gano'n? Yeah. Same pala yung hanap namin. Ay, nako.
Mama! Mama!
Ano ba yan? Mama.
Ano kayang team song niyo, no? Alam ko na kung anong team song niyo. Na ano?
Yung team song namin, palagi.
Ano?
Palagi.
Palagi. Ano ba yun?
Ayun yung ano. Ako talagang papatato nga sana kami na yun nakalagay eh. Buti na lang nalaman ko that July. Like, right there, magpapatato na kami.
Yun ba yun?
Opo.
Babalik sa yakap mo. Yun ba yun?
Oh. Yes, opo.
Dapat ang kanta nyo ay I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Mamma Mia.
Is that...
Ooh! Here I go again. Ah, mama! Mama!
Ay, sana makita tayo ni BJ, no?
Hindi rin.
Ay, bakit? Grabe naman.
Kasabihin ko sa'yo,
Bakit
Mama!
po?
No!
Kaya paano ako ng coffee? Gusto ko yung matikman yung coffee nyo.
I-ship out ko na lang po sa'yo. Mama! No!
Ay,
Ay, nako. Anyways, thank you very Angel. Pasensya ka na kung medyo harot yung paraan, but I know that after this, di ba, there will be a part of you who's going to sit in a corner and contemplate on all the times that you spent with him. Now, dreaming of a future with him. Now, bago tayo magtapos, I want you to contemplate on something. I could be wrong. I could be so wrong, but I want you to hear this from me before I end the call tonight. I believe, I could be wrong. Ulitin ko ha. I believe that him proposing to you on October was just to save face, not because he wants a lifetime with you. At alam kong alam mo yan.
Yeah, yun din po yung naisip ko.
I
Kasi
know.
there's a time na nag-away kami and then na-mention ko yun sa kanya. You proposed to me. And then sabi niya sa akin, gusto mo yun, di ba? Ikaw may gusto nun, di ba?
Sorry, nakaka-stress. Sinabi niya sa'yo yun?
Opo! Ang
Ay!
kapal nga ng mukha eh. So, okay
Alam mo
lang,
kung-
but at least may ring ako.
Alam mo kung ako sinabihan, sasabihin ko, Mama! No!
Actually, may ring din siya. So, bumili din siya ng ring niya. Parehas kami. I mean, not parehas. Parang band. Like, wedding band niya. So, suot-suot nga din. Sabi ko, ano yan for the show?
Anyways, well, you are not his preference. Alam mo, masayang may mga lesbians and gays and all the alphabets in the world. Nakatira ako sa bahay na may dalawang LGBTQ. My brother at saka yung kanyang live-in partner. They live under my roof. So alam na alam ko to. No? I know exactly what I'm talking about. May yung kuya ko at saka yung jowa niya ay pinapunta ko ng Vietnam kanina kahapon. May gift to them. May gift to them. Kasi anniversary nila. 9th year nila. So nasa Vietnam yung kuya ko. Naglalamierda doon. At nakita ko nagpost na ng picture. Sabi nila sa picture, Mama!
Can I tell you one thing ba po?
Yes,
PJ?
go ahead.
Grabe. Ay, mamagalit kayo sa akin. Meron po akong friend dyan sa Pilipinas. I know may gusto siya sa akin. She's been saying, ano naman siya? the other,
Lesbian
isang
naman.
naman. Yes, opo.
Why do you
But
invite
never kaming nagkaroon ng relationship. But I feel, nung wala pa tong guy na to, lumalabas kami, ganyan. Okay naman. Pero never kaming naging in relationship. Pero parang close.
when did
very
this
close.
happen? I mean,
2023 po.
akala ko sinabay mo rin kasi pagkagalitan kita.
Hindi naman. Pero nung kami na tong guy, nandiyan pa rin siya. She's still parang hanging around. Alam niya na I got a boyfriend.
Tigilan mo na yan. Okay?
Umiyak siya.
Heal yourself first and then maybe you can start dating. Okay?
Apa.
Okay?
Yeah. Mhm.
Anyways. Heal ka muna. Importante yan.
Apa. Sige po. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Thank you po. Thank you, PJ.
Huwag ka muna kay ma'am. Basta. Sige na. Anyways, Angel, thank you very much for having this conversation with me.
Thank you po.
I wish nothing but the chance that you meet someone who's going to satisfy all your needs emotionally, sexually, physically, everything. And it's not
Mhm.
impossible to happen.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you po. Thank you very much po.
Salamat po. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
Bye.